Go ahead.
All right. Pawpaw pruning and shaping. This is a young pawpaw tree, 6 years old, that has not been pruned or shaped at all. First thing I look for is things that are growing too low to the ground. Branches too low to the ground, when they get heavy with fruit, will hold the fruit close to the ground and it'll get funky. So I'm going to snip off the lower branches, typically coming up about 16 inches from the base. There you go. This tree also has 2 central leaders. We really just want 1 central leader. 2 central leaders like this branching out will begin to crowd this too much. If you have 2, remove 1. Boom. This central leader is getting too tall. I like to keep my pawpaws at about 8 feet tall so that I can reach all of the fruit. So I'm going to come up, cut at an angle here, cut at an angle here. This guy too is getting too long. I'm going to cut right above a bud. This guy too tall. This guy's going for it too far. Hold him down. I want to keep my lateral branches at about 4 feet. If they get too long, they'll likewise start to hang too heavy when these fruit buds have large pound-sized fruits on them. So I'm going to snip that. I've also got way too many branches growing in the center of this. So anything that's growing inside and growing inward, that comes out. Now, ideally, we get approximately 10 inches of lift between our branches. So this one and this one, you see how close they are? They're going to really compete with each other and offer too much shade and block airflow. So I'm going to take this one out. You see, that gives me a nice 10-inch lift from this branch to this next branch, right? I've got more branches competing here, so I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to take this one out. See that? I've got a lift now, and I've got a lift. Over here, I've got competing branches. I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to leave that guy because he's holding a space nobody else is. And I think for this year, that's the way I'll leave it.